Gamescom 2025 has officially begun, and this year's event is full of exciting news. From blockbuster trailers to hardware unveilings, the gaming world is buzzing, and we're only just getting started. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Let's take a quick dive into 5 of the biggest reveals so far that have lit up the event. Number 1 is Xbox handhelds. After years of anticipation, Microsoft has officially announced release dates for its first Xbox handhelds. The Rogue Xbox Ally and Rogue Xbox Ally X are coming on October 16th. The higher-end Ally X rocks a Ryzen A1Z2 Extreme chip, 24GB RAM, and 1TB storage, while the base model still impresses with a Ryzen Z2A and 16GB RAM. We're so excited for this one. Next is LEGO Batman Returns. TT Games is bringing back LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. The reveal trailer wowed fans by blending comic book lore with references to the Nolan films, Arkham games, and even the Batman. This new open-world Gotham looks darker, more detailed, and more ambitious than ever. Oh, and Matt Berry as Bane? Instant gold. On number 3, we have Hollow Knight Silksong. It's not a drill. Team Cherry finally gave us a solid launch date for Hollow Knight Silksong, which is September 4, 2025. After years of teases and delays, it's finally here. A surprise stream after opening night live showcased new mechanics, a massive world, and a crafting system, with post-launch content already in the works. It's already hitting all major platforms, including the Nintendo Switch 2. On 4, Sony's in-zone lineup. Sony isn't just focused on PlayStations, it's expanding its in-zone gaming gear lineup as well. The new H9 II headset now comes with a detachable mic and lighter build. There's also a sleek KBD H75 mechanical keyboard, a new gaming mouse, and new mouse pads. FPS fans should check out the new in-zone A9 earbuds too. Sony's making sure we change our whole gaming setup. Now let's check out Call of Duty Black Ops 7, which made a dramatic entrance with a trailer that confirms a setting in 2035, picking up after the events of Black Ops 2. This 4-player game has wild global missions and a new twist. The End Game, an open-world finale that changes based on how you played. With big reveals from all corners of the gaming world and more updates still to come, Gamescon surely been a great event for gamers. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.